Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll show you how to delete artboards in Illustrator so you can keep your workspace organized and remove any unnecessary boards. Step 1. Select the Artboard tool by pressing Shift+O on your keyboard. Once the tool is active, click on the artboard you want to delete, and then either press the Delete key or click the trash can icon to remove it. Step 2. To delete multiple artboards at once, hold Shift and select the artboards you want to remove. Then press the Delete key or click the trash can icon, which makes managing multiple artboards quick and easy. Step 3. You can also delete artboards using the Artboards panel. Go to Window Select Artboards to open the panel, then select Artboards from the list and click the Delete option in the hamburger menu. You can even remove all empty artboards at once, saving time and keeping your document tidy. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more Illustrator tips and tutorials.